the magic bloom on Kitty Boom.
The snow is falling soft and deep, while the world was fast asleep. Put on boots and a woolly hat, Mimi is ready just like that. Do you want to build a snowman? Roll the snow into a ball. Make it big and make it round, the biggest snowman of them all. Keep rolling, push! One big ball for the bottom part, a middle ball, that's where we start. A smaller head goes on the top. Stack them up and do not stop. Do you want to build a snowman? Roll the snow into a ball. Make it big and make it round, the biggest snowman of them all. He needs a face to see the day. Two black coals, hooray, hooray. A carrot nose, orange and bright. Stick arms reaching for the light. He needs one thing to keep him warm out here in the winter storm. Mimi gives him her own scarf. It wraps around him with a laugh. Goodbye, snowman, my new friend. I'll see you when the night ends. Stay warm, Mr. Snowman.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like for more.